Okay, aces all again. Trick. Okay, say stop. Say stop. Stop. Okay, first down card is your shoes. There. Okay, say stop. Stop. Okay, again the first down card is your card. Okay, again, say stop. Stop. Okay, same. This can be a little boring. And the last time, say stop. Stop. The first down card are your selection. Okay, so now it's like this. You have chose all the 4 aces. Okay, now to the tutorial. You take all the 4 aces, take the 2 black aces and put it on. Take 1 card, put it on another card. This is face up, this face down, and the 2 red aces on. So it looks like this. Ace, ace, and a free shows. Ace, ace, and a free shows. And on the deck. So when they say stop and you turn over, the first down-faced card will automatically be 1 ace. I can do it face up. You do it again, and the first face down card again will be automatically looks like this. Now, so don't show the 2 up-faced card. Sorry. Okay, so stop again and do it. There, get ace, and one last time. Oops. And you do it. So, and there you got the aces all again trick.